nag-aral ka ngayon dito?
Yeah, I believe that I was able to penetrate. I was able to penetrate and maximize the opportunities in Cagayan de Oro City. I've been to like a lot of events. I was able to develop my skills, my singing skills. I was able to perform on different stages within and outside CDO. And I really wanna pursue my singing career. And I feel like I'm not getting any younger. So if I don't have any other time to pursue it, but right now.
Pero, from CDO, pero based ka in Manila.
I'm actually planning to transfer here in Manila.
So based ka ng CDO?
I am still based in CDO, but I'm planning to move this March here in Manila. Yeah.
So ikaw yung
Yes,
ikaw yung
ako yun.
online applicant.
Yes.
Tama. Kaya nga tinatanong ko kay CJ kung pupunta pa siya dito dahil galing ka sa... First and foremost, I love your voice.
Thank you, bro.
Maganda siya, in fairness. Mukhang potential kang matutulungan kita sa hosting at saka sa mga graphic. Siguro naman may mga clips ka, no? May mga...
Ano ba? Every birthday since 2013, I'm advocating charity work. I always organize things because magbabarkada ako talaga yung organize ng mga charity works na ginagawa namin. At siniskurado ako every birthday ko. Kahit hindi ako celebrate alam yung luxury in life. Kasi yung birthday ko after Pasko, so rather to celebrate and spend money like sa mga pagkain na kakainin namin, I make sure na lang yung may ipon kong pera, malilikom ko, gagamitin ko for a charity work. Para naman kahit papaano maiksan naman yung mga like orphanage, we go to orphanage, at lalo-lalo yung mga taong nakatira sa malansangan, kahit konting tulong na maibsan yung gutom nila, ginagawa namin.
Sa school lang, sorry lang, mali lang. Sa school?
Yes po.
Okay, anong pageant yan? Intramurals ba yan? Or school search?
Mr. and Miss NCST po.
NCST is the name of the school?
Yes po.
Okay, so enrolled ka ngayon doon?
Yes po.
Anong course mo?
Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management po.
HRM ba yun?
Yes po.
Parang HRS. Tama, di ba? 2 years.
4 years.
4 years na ang HRS ngayon?
HM ata na yun.
HRS po is senior high school po yun.
Oh, kasi yun nga eh, yung HRS kasi is 2 years. Yung HRM, before yun yung
Yes po.
4 years ang HRM. So bakit ka sumali? Bakit gusto mong sumali pala? Bakit King of the World?
Kasi po, nung nag-research po ako about sa King of the World, nung sinabihan po ako ni Mami Marvin kagabi, nakita ko po yung pageant na to is very organized po. Unlike sa ibang pageant na parang ang gulo po. Tapos yung mga sumasali po is talagang competitive. And I think dito ko po mabubus yung confidence ko dahil kailangan ko nga rin po sa course ko, Bachelor of Sciences ko pa. Hospitality Management, to commute. Number 1 po yung communication skills. Tapos yung pa yung kasama po.